Welcome back to the Forex Talk. This is an update on the $100,000 demo challenge account. The balance at the end of the week on Friday at around 3 p.m. Central ended at 107.216. Floating P&L of minus 389. For the week, about 7,000. And a positive upward facing graph for from 100,000 to 108. Now the CA is optimizable and interchangeable, meaning it can be used as a martingale EA and be used as an indirection EA. The moving average can be set to 0 to 100, whichever number you like, and the EA will trade in the direction you choose. Now, when I choose indirection, which I did one of the pairs, it gave me a higher net profit than out of the direction martingale strategies. I still have more losses. I have a higher gross loss than I do the martingale strategy, but net ended up with more. The profit factor is 1, which is less compared to martingale because the gross loss is higher. Okay, so I set the lot size to 2 and above, and GBP USD was a martingale strategy, which was set at 0.01 and above. The highest lot size for, let's see, the highest lot size used in this test is 22.16 for GBP USD. The next is 14, then 9. The highest lot size for the Euro CEF, which was in direction trading, is 5 and 4 and 3 and 2. So that gave me profits of 10 and losses of 8,000. So working on this, I would say that it can be upgraded, improved. At one point, the price was so far in the money that it could have had a stop loss or even a trailing stop. And technically it does, but when you're using a martingale strategy or an indirection strategy, the EA wants to take profit in batches. So with further testing, we can decide that we want a more improved take profit area. Okay, so my strategy is to go in profit because 22.16 lot size is more risky than taking a 5 lot or 4 lot or 3 lot consistently. Even though the losses are higher, it's less risky. So let's go to the open orders. This is where we are now. Lot sizes are normal. We're still in drawdown at about 300, but UJ is helping us out. So we're also using 4 different pairs, which will help us with being even with the account. Balancing the account is always the main goal when trading, and using different pairs will help the balance better. So if we have a 55% win rate and 4 different pairs, all in direction trading, then the goal would be to do what we did and profit as much without using the martingale strategy. We'll use normal lot sizes and have less drawdown and higher win rate. Okay, so we can go back to the graph, and luckily we used FX Blue to help with track our stats. Okay, so we'll be back next week with an update on the launch on the 10th of February, and keep on testing. See you next week.